Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate testing with Selenium, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the latest version of the Selenium WebDriver for your preferred browser. Extract the downloaded files to a directory on your computer. Next, set up your development environment by installing the programming language of your choice. For this guide, we will use Python due to its simplicity and popularity in automation. Install Python by downloading it from the official website and following the installation prompts. Once Python is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Use pip, Python's package installer, to install Selenium by typing pip install Selenium in the command line. Wait for the installation to complete to ensure that Selenium is properly set up in your environment. After installing Selenium, create a new Python script file in your preferred code editor. Import the necessary Selenium modules at the top of your script by adding from Selenium import WebDriver. Next, instantiate a browser driver by creating an object of your chosen browser. For example, to use Chrome, write driver equals WebDriver Chrome. Ensure that you have the appropriate Chrome driver executable downloaded and placed in your system path. Now, open a website by using the get method with a URL string like driver.get, http://example.com. Once the page loads, locate elements you want to interact with using methods like find. Perform actions on these elements, such as sending text to input fields with element.send_keys, your text. For buttons, you can click on them using the element.click method. After completing the actions, include assertions to verify the expected outcomes. For example, you can check if the title of the page is correct using assert expected title in driver.title. Once the test is complete, ensure to close the browser window by using driver.quit. To automate multiple tests, consider structuring your code into functions or using a testing framework like PyTest. Also, maintain your tests by storing selectors and configurations in separate files for better organization. Next, schedule your scripts to run automatically using task schedulers or CI/CD tools for continuous testing. Regularly update your Selenium and browser driver versions to avoid compatibility issues. Finally, document your tests well to make them easier to understand and maintain over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.